In my own office, in the Chief Economist Office, we have a Gender Innovation Lab, which is a research unit that understands the policy changes that can advance the lives of women across Africa. So we do impact evaluation, and we run more than 50 impact evaluations across Africa to know exactly how to impact women's lives and improve their livelihoods. So on gender, we are certainly trying and doing quite a lot. Now, on domestic resource mobilization, I think Eric is absolutely right. One of the issues we have in Africa is not that much the lack of savings. It's the fact that Africans export their savings through official and unofficial means and import investment. So we need to do a little bit more in taming illicit flows, illicit financial flows from the continent. In fact, there are numbers clearly showing that Africa exports more resources than it gets back. And it's on us, it's on African governments. You can't blame the World Bank or the IMF for that.